All right, so we're doing a mail merge from a Word document. So we have our Word document, we'd have what we want here, and we just want to know how would we input each kid and each teacher. So first, the important thing is that you have an Excel document. Okay, so in this Excel, I have the ID of the kiddo, the last name, the first name, and their grade. But if you want any other info on there, you would need to add a column in there for what information you want. So if you want the teacher, you have to know the kid's teacher, and you'd have to have a column in here inserted. If you want to know what room number that teacher's in, you need another column in there with room number. And then for class period, you need another column with class period. So all the info you want on that mail merge needs to be in a document and saved. Okay, all right, so I'm saving this. And then once you're in your document, I go to mailings, start mail merge, and I always do step by step. I haven't played with the other ones, but I'm sure there's a way. Okay, so then it just literally guides you step by step. It says, what are you working on? I say letters. You can do labels too, which is cool. That's how I make the little passes. But I'm going to do a whole page. Okay, so you can do letters, and here you can do emails as well. Okay, next, start your document. Okay, I'm going to use the current one. Next, I'm going to select my recipients. So I'm going to use an existing list. I have to look for it. I have to tell it which one. So browse, and then I got to go look. So it was this one, the final invitee list of students. Okay. I don't know why, but you have to double click and then press OK. Okay, so now it knows, okay, we're taking from this list. Next, write my letter. Okay, so I would say student. Click more items, and I want to insert the first name and the last name. So it's going to show up first kiddo, first name, and last name for the first kid. And then close this, and I say, okay, what teacher are they in? Insert. I don't have the teacher on here, so let's just pretend I wanted just their ID. If I had the teacher info, I'd put it on there. So ID, here's the column. It's going to insert the ID. Yeah.
Upload just like for doing the
Yeah.
students.
Yeah. And then I don't know what other info is on here. So you can put everything that's in that Excel sheet comes up right here. But yeah, but we don't have it on that one that I'm using. So let's say you want their grade level. So you insert it there. Okay. And then you can input a picture, whatever, type whatever you want, whatever message you want. And then you go next. I'm going to preview my letters. Here's my first kiddo from my list. Angel Alanis, and their ID and their grade. Angel Alanis. I don't like that it looks like this, so I can go back and say, oh yeah, I didn't put a space there. Right? So then you fix it. See, Angel Alanis, their ID and their grade. If you want to see the next recipient, Leo Alvarez. There he is, Leo Alvarez. And then it's going to keep going by your list. Okay, you can look at all of them, but I've learned to just trust that. Okay, I'm gonna look at the first one. It showed up. It's right. And then you say complete it, and then you say print it all, and then you send it to your printer, and it's gonna print every single record that's here. So for us, it would print 150. Yeah, 189. And that's it.